Hi guys, welcome to a tutorial about Java Servlet. Let's create our first project. We selected Java Enterprise 8 Tomcat. We select our Tomcat application server. If you don't have, then you must download by the Tomcat and install this. The installation is very easy. Just select the Tomcat server and show the Tomcat home directory. Then the installation is successful, and we select web application. Then name the project, tutorial, and finish. When we create our first project, I want to add framework support as the main and enable auto imports. After that, as you can see, we cannot add servlet class directly, so I just remove these are the package and mark directory as the source root. Then we can create servlet classes. Let's configure our index page. I remove the end file and I want to add directory with resources, and in the resources add the assets and JavaScript file. And let's create our header. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not XHTML. It must be JSP file. Let's copy and paste Bootstrap links. I will give you the Bootstrap 4 link at the below the video. Then let's create our footer. Just delete this, copy and paste our jQuery and JavaScript links for the bot. And there is another thing, we must add the title. Our title is Science Engineering Servlet-Tutorial. We can JSP include our header and footer, and at the bottom of the body JSP include resources and footer.jsp. Finally, let's create our navigation bar. Remove all of the codes, and now class navbar light vg faded, and give a link for the navbar. To return the home page in any of the tab, and I want to give logo. I have a logo. I steal the Half-Life logo. I will use it. You can use any whatever you want, and just let's show our logo directory, logo.txt, and we must set our width and height. They will be 30 and 30. Our class must be the inline block top. I just copy all of the codes from the Bootstrap 4 documentation, and then we can add a title for our navigation bar, like engineering servlet. Then let's include page resources and navigation bar.jsp. Let's run this project, and there is a fault because we haven't shown the servlet. Let's create our first servlet, and also the directory is fault resources. Then we can add configuration and on-frame deactivation, update resources, so we can check is there any problem. Yeah, there is no problem. So thank you for watching. See you on the next tutorial.